Query successful. Try again without apps. Ready to take control of your complete financial picture? If you're using Ally for saving, investing, or checking, you know the convenience of an all-digital bank. But what about that old checking account or your separate brokerage? Trying to manage your money across multiple institutions can feel like juggling too many balls, right? Well, what if I told you you could link those external accounts right to your Ally dashboard and manage your transfers seamlessly? That's what we're diving into today. We'll walk you through the super simple steps to link any external checking, savings, or brokerage account to Ally Bank. The entire process takes just a few minutes, but just so you know, the actual verification can take up to 3 business days depending on the method. Here's the step-by-step guide to linking your external account. First, log into your Ally online banking account. You'll need to do this on the website, as external transfers aren't available on the mobile app just yet. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Transfers tab and select Bank Transfers. From here, you'll see an option to link other accounts. Click that. Ally will ask you for a few key pieces of information about your external account: the account type, checking or savings, the bank's routing number, and your specific account number. Now, you have 2 primary ways to verify ownership. The first option is often an instant verification where you log in directly to your external bank through a secure prompt. This is the fastest way to get set up. If instant verification isn't an option, you'll use the manual verification method. With this, Ally will send 2 small, or trial, deposits, typically less than $1 each, to your external account. These usually appear within 2 to 3 business days. Once the deposits show up, you'll log back into Ally, go back to the Link Other Accounts section, and enter those exact small deposit amounts. This confirms you own the external account and completes the link. After your external account is officially linked, you'll be able to easily set up one-time or recurring transfers right from your Ally account, making it easier than ever to manage all your money in one place. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.